Hey, welcome to Collen and Hayden. Today we're working on a school project. We're making Guatemalan rice.
First, turn the stove on high. Get the pan good and hot. Add vegetable oil. You'll need 1 cup of rice, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1 tablespoon of minced tomato. Add rice, tomato and onion to the pan. Stir it up. Cook until golden brown. While it's cooking, you'll need water. 2 cups of it. 2 tablespoons of chopped carrots. 1 tablespoon chopped celery. You also need 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Then add water, add carrots and celery, and the chicken bouillon to the pan. Stir it well. Boil. Turn down the temperature and let it simmer for 20 minutes. That looks really good.
Okay, now we know how to make Guatemalan rice. Please like and subscribe to our channel.